Hi everyone, and welcome back to my morning report. Charles Praises on Monday the 25th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar, and we've just once again seen the pullback towards the bottom of this band. Is it breaking to the downside? I'm not quite sure yet. We had Thursday's low at 107.77, Friday's low 107.87. Today's low, if it works, 786. So it's sort of threatening the bottom of this band, and certainly you would argue intraday basis, yes, it has broken. Arguably even on a closing basis as well. So the pressure is mounting on the bottom of this band, but it's not decisively broken. And obviously today's bounce back into sort of back above 108 figure sort of helps that support coming back in again. So not seeing a decisive move to the downside yet. But we could do, because I mean, obviously we have already seen this breakdown a couple of weeks ago, and it's sort of continuing this sort of rolling effect, isn't it? You could well see a move back towards 107 figure. Certainly, if you see another close below, I think today that would suggest I think we're probably breaking it down. I mean, the moving averages are pretty much still flat to slightly weaker. Momentum indicators sort of slight bearish bias. I mean, rolling over on the stochastics doesn't help. MACD lines as well, just falling away. So yeah, I mean, you've got a slight bearish bias, but nothing too significant at the moment. I think what you're sort of looking at is maybe a test back of that 107.10 mark, which was that low that we had on the first week of Jan. So it seems to be as though we're going that way. Very slight sort of tendency to sell rallies and sort of push into lower levels now that we have in place. So in terms of the hourly chart, it doesn't give you a great deal really. I mean, you've got the hourly momentum indicators, which is again slightly sort of bearishly biased. Nothing too major though, is it? So you just had this rollover. Maybe you'd now be looking at selling into rallies 108.40, maybe 108.60 area, being your sort of initial band of resistance. 109 figure is again a bit of a pivot line over recent weeks or days and weeks. But yeah, it's still not really decisive in its trending, and it's not a chart that I'm wholly convinced by either way at the moment. So it's still playing out as a bit of a consolidation trade, and whether it actually gains momentum or not in any one direction, we'll wait to see. But at the moment, you're not getting too much out of it. So I wish you good luck in your trading on Euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.